I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. What you doing, Dad?
Aggravating himself. Trying to put this two-sided tape. This
Stringer?
stringer. That's the easy part. Hard part's getting the red off.
Yeah, we can just do a full episode of you pulling the red off the tape. That's like peeling red off bologna.
Well, that's a lot easier. I didn't get this big by making it hard to pull red off bologna.
Remember that bologna sandwich that old man made me? I don't know where we were on the train when I was real young.
That Mumford.
Was it Mumford?
Yeah, they tore that place down.
He made a damn good bologna sandwich. It had like 13 slices of bologna and like 5 slices of cheese. I couldn't even eat it all. It's so big.
All that store's still there now. Coats, grocery store, make you a sandwich.
It was right by the tracks.
They tore that building down. It was a post office, store, Mumford, Texas. I told you I was aggravating myself.
Well, got a compressor problem, so I have to kill the power to it and pull the motor. I believe it's an old compressor. I'll show you guys here in a second. All right, here's this old compressor. We'll try to pull the motor off of it, and I got signed up for it. Have it rebuilt. Dad and Chad channel, but as you can see, there's no Chad. There's just a Chad, and with a heavy compressor. Our compressor took a dump. You saw Dad and I take the motor off, but I'm too impatient to go have the motor rebuilt. So I went and found a compressor from a friend of mine and bought it, and gonna install it. So here we go. 600-pound compressor, 200-pound man. Oh my gosh. How does the clock fall? They've been doing so much up there. Thank you so much. Man, like I don't have to do anything. Look, you're just doing it all by yourself. Hey, where's your shoes?
I don't have the right shoes on for this adventure.
Put the left shoes on.
Watch air compressor. I mean air conditioner.
I'm watching it. That's air
conditioner.
It'll work out.
Now what?
I don't know. Maybe we get some tips from the YouTubers to let us know what to do. Maybe like a pulley. I don't know.
I don't either. Because you still got the old one, so where's this one going? Because that one we brought in with a lift.
Front end loader. We brought this one in with good old fashioned muscles. Guns.
Guns. Get out your tickets.
That's what my uncle always says.
To the gun show.
What's up, guns? I'm like, what are you talking about? I don't have guns. I have guns in my safe. Let's see. we just have 2 compressors?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not?
Because then you'll have a backup. Then you can
Well-
get this one fixed.
That one needs a motor. I dropped that off with Jesus. He said he might be able to fix it.
Okay.
So now, if I could just like look at my nose and just like stand up, that would be great. But
Or we could wait till tomorrow when there's more muscles.
somebody might like run off with it. I think I can lift it. You're gonna lift it?
No.
Bet I can. How much you want to bet?
$100.
YouTubers, start your bets. Start your bets. How much do you think this thing weighs?
A lot. I watched you try to muscle it just to get it on this.
Oh, I bet people at home are like, what the heck?
Yeah, they are.
He should be doing so and so and so and so. Okay.
Oh, see?
See? You can do nothing.
Or you got a wheel. Oh, that's even worse. You got a wheel up on top of the concrete.
Okay. I need to get the rope. Oh, those peanuts. All right. There we go.
Okay.
50% done. All right. Put your bets in.
Please lift with your legs. I think I'm going to have to help. Oh, we're going to hit the thingy. Oh, I don't think I can do this. Ready? Oh.
Yeah, perfect.
Wait, there's a hose in the way.
There's hose.
There's a hose.
Okay.
Okay, now we're clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
See? They doubted me.
With the camera on the ground. They missed. They missed the good stuff.
Ta-da! All the bets seem to come to me.
Oh, I think I stepped in ants. I hope that's where you want it.
I can wiggle it now. Wiggle it. Hey, that might be fun.
Don't let that foot come off.
That might be. See, I've got to get that hose to right here.
Okay.
So you know what I'll do? I'll just turn it sideways like this.
Back foot. Where's your back foot?
And then that hose will go right into here. Booyah! Dude, this worked out great. Get a little bit closer to the building. No more workouts this week for me. I got it all in, baby.
Well, it's a good thing because your week starts tomorrow, so a new week.
What?
Today's Saturday.
You're joking.
Nope.
You're joking. You're such a jokester. All right. So, well, I'm going to have to run. Here's the cord. So I'm going to have to get like a little, maybe a longer cord or something. Yeah. I can junction it right here. Get a little longer flex line. Heck yeah, man. We'll be in business. Heck yeah. Cool. All right. Everybody needs to pay up. All the doubters.
All the doubters, you didn't do that by yourself. I had to put the camera on the ground.
Baby, you did like 10 pounds. I just needed an extra 10 pounds of force.
So the bets don't count.
Yeah, they didn't think I could get it up. but I did.
With my help.
Well, I ate some spinach. So. Okay.
And we're out.
Finally, we're wiring up the compressor. Dad's not here again. Buddy Chewy's helping me. He's an electrician. He doesn't speak the English. Very little, he says. So we're changing out this flex line. Okay. This is the power side. Ah! Just kidding. Oh, they put the neutral. It's a freaking wire nut. I mean, like a 1/4 or something. Do you have any
What is it?
sockets? I can go get one.
Is that 11 and one that you have? It has you take off that.
Yeah, it's smaller than that. It's pretty cool though.
Right? All your basic electrical needs.
Yeah.
That's why you buy Klein.
Oh, if you buy $100 worth of Klein at dealers right now, you get a free hat.
You getting paid to say that?
No, I just saw it today when I went to Market Parts. Okay, let me go grab a socket real quick.
Okay, now you can go.
No, I was just being funny. Today's video is sponsored by Sugar Creek, where you can go rent everything you need for your wedding, or even have a small petite wedding in our studio. And out front, you can park your RV.
Because we're a jack of all trades business.
Yeah.
Should see the hats I had made.
Ooh, Dad and Chad.
No. The House of Sugar Creek.
Need some Dad and Chad hats.
I know.
Hey, we could get Bunker Branding to do it.
That's why you don't want to tighten these too much, because when you do,
Smashes it.
no, well, it's just there's no taking it off, man. You'll have to end up cutting the whole thing. It kind of like coils on there, you know.
Do we have a critter living under the concrete?
Where?
Right here. There's disturbed dirt.
There's a snake in there.
What?
Just a little bitty one.
Is it really?
Yeah. Little garden, like little
Oh,
garden snake.
Oh, I see.
That's something been digging on there.
Yeah.
I can't reach him. I'll pull him out. It's a tail though. It might be like a rat's tail. Give me something to stick in there.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stand back.
Surely it would have come out.
Go further in or what?
Need some needle nose. You can get some needle nose and get the front tail.
Have some wires.
Motherfucker.
You ain't the only one scared, Taylor. I hate snakes, man.
What are you getting?
I've already pulled his tail off. Gotta be a dead rat.
Ew.
Oh, you want it stinking up back here?
Did it tell me, Mom?
Yeah.
Maybe it got caught in the concrete.
Well, you might have ate the poison and then went up under here.
Oh, how about you leave him up under there then? He just needs to be one with the earth. Jesus is shaking his head.
What do you do with it? Well, I know there's one there, but there's his tail. See?
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Come out and get a rat.
Oh, hang on. Stay over there. Oh! Oh! Stop!
I am the rat machine.
Oh my gosh!
Is that a rat or a? Oh my gosh, that's a big old rat.
Babe.
We have to dispatch it.
Oh, hold on to it because he's still moving.
I know he's alive.
Oh!
He's trying to get
Oh! Wait! I'm not.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.